Welcome to Friday, which means welcome to the weekend. Some car revving down the local garage. Sounds a little bit fruity, don't know what it is. But anyway, hard to do this with two hands, one hand. Dad sent me threaded bar and a doggy bag, literally a dog poo bag with a bearing and some big washers in. So yeah, thank you Dad, as always, bailing me out, making me do it properly. So we'll put that bearing in a minute and we can finish that off. Yeah, so that's going good. Getting very close to 10,000 subscribers. Even maybe by the time you watch this video, it might be at 10,000. I do feel that it may just suddenly drop a little bit because I reckon there's a few people that might just unsubscribe for the fun of it, namely my daughter. But anyway, if we'll eventually get there anyway. But it'd be nice to see hit the 10,000. Maybe it'll happen during this video. I'm looking down there. We're into the 999s. So anyway. But again, thank you for all your support and all that, and keep following me. I can't believe you guys actually want to watch me. I'll try and be as entertaining as I can with the budget I have, which is pretty minimal just at the moment, as soon as the pickup parts came in. So anyway, let's go get some booze out of the car and then crack on and try and put this bearing back in without damaging it. We put the plastic coating in this time, so that's good. Cone of shame. Alrighty. Here we go, got that ring bush in there already. New bearing for my dad. Don't think it's not been used at all, it's just been laid around. Couple of big washers and a bit of threaded bar that he donated. So, technically all simple pinballs. Make sure we got the plastic tube in. Yes, we have. What I might just do, I'll just touch a little bit of oil around the bearing, use grease, whatever, just to, so it's going in. Make sure that the surface is all clean, and I'm just going to gently tap it a little bit just to start it. That's all I'm doing. So it sort of squares itself up a bit. And yeah, simples. Down one end, big wash on the other end. And then we just tighten the bolts together, you know. Makes it a lot less pressure, you know. 100% this is a better way to do it. But as always, work with the tools you have around you the best you can, isn't it? It's just life, isn't it? And then we now scrabble around for 5 minutes to try and find our half-inch spanner, which we found. And that's it, in it goes. Gently, watching it going in square, and that's it. That was easier and a hell of a lot less violent. So yeah, only thing I would suggest is maybe some thicker washers, but you could use the old washers that came off the radius arm, or even the new ones if you wanted to. Just dig around in my mess. And find the old shaft. This is where we find that the bearing that came with this one is a different one, and the kit's different and slightly different. Shouldn't be, really shouldn't be. But you can never tell, can you? Again, a bit of oil just on the shaft. Always lube your shaft up. And then, yeah, see if it slides in, which side we're doing. The long end goes in to that end where the grease nipple's going to be. Lovely. Lovely. push that in a little bit more, and then we put the washers on. Washers should have a little groove on one side. They face inwards just to help the grease rotate around and everything. So yeah, don't put them on the outside. One washer's slightly bigger than the other side, so you can't really get them too long, you know, if you've got them wrong, because they look stupid. Rubber rings are normally pretty much the same size, you just have to stretch one more. But that's life. And then, yeah. Way! And then you put the washer. So yeah, that radius arm is pretty much good to go. We're just going to swap the C-clip over, because I'm not happy with this C-clip. How is it looking actually? Yeah, I'm not happy. These cheap C-clips, they don't have much springiness in them on the back of the slave cylinders. And when they stretch too much, you can stretch them quite easily, and I think these have been on and off a couple of times and somewhere else. The other clip's not filling either, but I did find the 2 bolts for the handbrake quadrants. Just got to find the bolt now. I've got to find the quadrants. That's just silly, isn't it? So yeah, put a bit of grease on these, put a bit of oil on them, get this one back in. And yeah, it's got later ones had like a pin on them, so you know, you just with a circlip and stuff, but I've got these, might as well stick with them. I'm not happy with them actually, but that's way too long sticking out for the quadrant. Something tells me maybe someone's put them on later on when they destroyed the old ones. Maybe they are standard, but they can't be that long normally. Even with a washer on top, they're still going to be stupidly long. So I've done a quick research, otherwise I'll have to buy some pins and quadrants anyway. So let me know if you guys think there should be bolts or not, but I don't think they should be that long regardless. So anyway, we do have a nice new drum somewhere that we should just pop on, and then keeps everything clean. There we go. So it's a nice drum. Just need to find the screws, but that's just temporary for now. These will all come off. Anyway, what I need to do is slacken the adjuster off, make it quite small, otherwise they're not going to fit. Billy bing, Billy bong. Another subscriber. We're getting there. I'm trying to work out what else we need to do. I've got a little bit of time left, but I've been secretly filming some other videos about a special modification to a Mini. Won't be to everyone's hearts, so I'm still cracking on with that. So I think I might quit this in a minute and do a little bit of that. I don't know when I'll be releasing the videos for that. I'm waiting for it to actually finish and work, maybe before boasting about it too much. If you're a patron, you know a little bit about it already. Otherwise, yeah, I might save it for Christmas time, because I can have a little bit of a break over Christmas and then release the videos. But yeah, so I may work on that, but it's looking good. So this one's ready now to go in the passenger side subframe, and we can build the brakes up as well on this side. It's worth building all the brakes up, getting everything on. We know we've got any problems now, and gets parts off the floor, which I need space on the floor. So anyway, I think everyone have a good weekend. I think we've got some sausages and mash, bangers and mash for tea. Little Tritzer ones, little ones like that, little sausage. It's getting busy. Okie dokie. I think that's it. But again, hopefully over the weekend, 10,000 subscribers. And again, thanks very much for following, and see how we go. We'll have to obviously start the classic car giveaway, which I might start entry, even though you don't even know what car it is yet. So we might start actually the giveaway. I don't know, I need to think about things like that. Still trying to find a nice project car, so we shall see. Again, you guys have told me to crack on with a pickup anyway to start with, so most of you anyway, so I think we'll mostly end up doing that, but once we've got the pickup out of the way, we've got another spare space maybe. I might have to have a bit of a cull on these cars at some point, so if anyone's interested, give me a shout. Alright guys, have a good weekend, and girls, happy bogey weekend. 10,000, come on, let's get in there.